2 weeks ago, I issued the Kitchen Vignette Challenge, and you had to create a vignette for your kitchen counter using a book, a tray, and a floral. So if you want to see what I came up with, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I am showing off the kitchen vignette that I created. I am so proud of what I was able to put together. But before we jump into that, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty and gardening, then I encourage you to subscribe because I create videos about those topics all the time. We have lots of fun on this channel and I think you would enjoy what we do here. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below because there I'll put links about my favorite cleaning and gardening solutions. Okay, so let's jump into the video. Here is my new kitchen vignette. I am so pleased with this piece. I tell you what, when I put forth the challenge to use a tray, a book, and a floral, I wasn't even sure if I was going to be able to do it. Now let me tell you what I've got going on right here. First of all, here's my tray, and this is a tray that I used to sit out on the counter with cookbooks, and I put it in other places and been doing other things with it, but I pulled it back out for this particular challenge. And then this is one of my favorite cookbooks, and I love being able to just grab it and then look up a recipe and then put it right back there. As you know, I got a thing about soup tureens, so I got out one of my other little soup tureens. And then this floral you've seen in a couple different places, but it was just perfect right here. And I forgot I even had these two salt and pepper shakers. I was looking for something in my spice cabinet, and they were up on the very top shelf in the very back of the spice pantry. So this was a no-cost product. Now, what is this right here? I am most proud of this. This is a little doily. Now let me tell you about this doily. This doily used to belong to my grandmother on my dad's side, and I've got a couple of them in the buffet in the dining room, and I never used them. I remember when I was younger, my grandma's, both of them had doilies all over the house, and I never thought too much about it, but it certainly wasn't anything that I wanted to put in my house. And one day, one of my girlfriends was over for the Nurses Day tea, and she was saying how much she loved doilies and how she had them all over her house. And I said, I've got two, but I don't know what to do with them. And she said, oh, just put them out and use them and display them. And then I remembered Creative Lori did a vignette, and she used a really pretty little cloth or doily that she had gotten for her staging business. And I thought, let me get out that doily of Grandma's. And I put it in this tray, and I think it was just perfect. So it's a way to use one of my family heirlooms in a way that I never would have thought possible, and I am just so pleased with it. And it is perfect right here on this end of the counter. And like I said, I can lift it and I can move it out of the way when I need to use this area for prep, and then I can just put it right back here when I am done. So I am so pleased with the way things turned out. I never thought that I could have come up with something like this. Now my husband says, oh, it was in there all the time. You just hadn't thought about it. But you know, I'm really tapping into my creativity differently today. And it's because I've been participating in so many of these challenges and really stretching myself. 2 years ago, I would have attempted to create a vignette like this. But after participating in the food tray challenge that was done by Miss V, the tray display challenge that was hosted by At Home with Zane, and a few other challenges, I've really learned to put things together differently. So if you wonder what's the point of all these different challenges, they really help you grow. So thank all my YouTube friends for helping me to grow and be able to get to a place where I could create a vignette like this to beautify my home. So now here's my question for you. Which part of this sweet little vignette do you like best? Tell me in the comment section below. Oh, before I go, I will link the playlist below so that you can check out all the other videos that the creators have done. I anticipate there will be some amazing, amazing vignettes for us to take a look at. So make sure that you take a look at the others in the playlist and give them some love. Comment on their vignettes and also subscribe to their channel. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning, laundry, gardening, health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. So now, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.